Dear students, good morning. Welcome to the home mentoring session of marketing. Myself CSK Khanna from the SD Vidya School Ambala Kent. Dear students, today we will continue with our previous topic of segmentation, target marketing and positioning. In our previous lecture, we had learned that how the companies they create the market positioning, various bases they use, and practically we had also studied various types of the statements which are made by various companies in order to position their product. Again, understand the companies, the marketers, they create the market positioning in two ways: by making the changes in their product or services supplied by them, and also by creating the perceptual positioning in the mind of the prospective buyer. Today we will learn one very important case relating to positioning, which is of a very popular company, that is the Tata, and it's relating to its product, that is Nano car. Now in the Auto Expo 2012, Ratan Tata, the head of Tata Group, said, "We never pushed Nano as a poor man's car, the cheapest car. We pushed it as an affordable all-weather family car. We have wasted an early opportunity. The Indian consumer is an aspirational one, and even a two-wheeler owner looking to upgrade will not want a cheap car. People started looking at Nano not as a low-cost innovation but as a cheap car. This, among other factors, also hurt the chances. Nano currently falls in the ultra low cost or the sub A segment. Competing with bikes for attention may be even together tougher job to do, even if it is an affordable upgrade. This would have probably worked in mature markets like Europe and the USA, where bikes are a luxury and an affordable car positioning on the price plank could work well. The concept of computer bikes is a very South Asian concept. Price as a strong positioning can't work in price sensitive India. Experts point out that to make pricing a positioning element, first it has to occupy the high price position. So playing with price is to play with fire. Now it is repositioning as a smart car. From engineering perspective, it is more refined and has a better steering wheel, a power steering. It has a better suspension for better ride quality, and there is an anti-roll bar in front. It is coming in new vibrant colors, a modern music system with Bluetooth connectivity and keyless entry. An additional layer has been added to the entire electrical system to prevent fire. Nano Twist price takes it into the territory of Maruti Alto. Now when you go through to this very important case of the positioning by the Tata Group with reference to their car, understand in Indians' mind, earlier there was a very important thinking about the Nano car, that it is the cheapest car. Now with reference to the cheapest car, they thought that the quality will also be poor. But as per the chairperson of the Tata Group, he stated that we had produced this car for the Indians who are having the price sensitivity. Understand, the Indians, they want value for their money, and automatically they had developed an important car model which satisfied to their needs. But while positioning their product with reference to the price element, they had did a mistake, because only the price element cannot provide them the bigger share in the market, and their positioning with reference to the only price element that they are going to provide a cheap car in the market, that failed. Now it is repositioned as a smart car. Smart car here means that they had added various attributes, qualities to their product and not position it with reference to the price element here. You all know that Nano sale is low as compared to the other cars in the Indian car market, but they had did a very important mistake to recognize and position their car in the car market with reference to the price that they are producing the poor man's car. So please keep in mind that while positioning the goods, while positioning the services in the market, various elements must be considered, and those elements must satisfy to the target market needs. So this way we could understand that very important decision could be required with reference to the positioning of the goods or services in the market. Let's discuss the very simple knowledge assessment 4 with reference to fill in the blanks with the appropriate words. Existing market share and market homogeneity and current product expertise impact upon an organization assessment of what? Market attractiveness. Assessment of target market attractiveness. Here the word will be target market attractiveness. If targeted segment does not meet the needs of the marketer, then he must raise the question, have our targets changed in the last few years? Are we seeking the answer will be here, are we seeking the same targets? Again, if target segment does not meet the needs of the marketer, then he must raise the question, have our target changed in the last few years? Are we seeking the same targets which we want to achieve earlier also? Then, other question targets we always went after. Positioning is concerned about creating a perception in consumers' mind about the nature of company and its products relative to competitors. Identify relevant set of competitive products serving a target market comes at dash place in positioning process. What could be the answer here? Very simple. Identify relevant set of competitor products serving a target market comes at top place in positioning process. Positioning is what you do to the dash mind of the prospect. Prospect here means the future buyer, potential customer. आप उसके mind में क्या कर रहे हैं? That is important for positioning. Physical positioning is done on the basis of product characteristics. Definitely physical positioning is done on the basis of product characteristics. Change in the features, change in the attributes, change in the quality parameters have the physical positioning. Endorsement by celebrities makes dash and are known as perceptual positioning. Difference definitely when the endorsement is done by the celebrities, it makes differences with reference to the perceptual positioning in the mind of the prospective buyer. Companies have positioned their products on what basis? On various differences and on the various basis of different. Two things are there. Physical positioning as well as the perceptual positioning. Then, state in brief with reasoning whether the following statements are correct, incorrect. One cannot be everything, everyone, but can be everything to a selected few. Whether it is correct or incorrect, it is correct. Because everything cannot be supplied to everyone, but can be everything to a selected few. To the small segment, a particular part of the segment, the things can be provided. Targeting is the process of grouping of individuals with similar needs. Correct. A Rolls-Royce is not in competition with Maruti Alto. Correct. Segmentation is a battle of minds. Correct. Some needs and wants change with age. Definitely some needs and wants change with the age. Then, anyone in Americas is an American only? No, it is incorrect. Religion influences consumption behavior. Definitely true. Since business market segments do not change, hence there is no need to resegment frequently. False. Incorrect. A company should not attempt to compete in all segments with the same product. It is true. Different product, different services should be given to the different segments. Same product could not serve the purpose of the marketers. Targeting and positioning strategies are interrelated. Correct. One product or service may be different even when they appear to be identical. It is true. Segmentation is not important for a business. It is very important for a business. So with the help of this very simple exercise, we are in position to understand relating to the market positioning. So dear students, we had learned and completed this very important unit of segmentation, target marketing and positioning. I request each one of you must go this exercise, but prior to going for this exercise, understand the various basic elements, then only you are in position to have the correct answers. So this way we had completed this unit. In our next class, we will continue with our next important unit, which is relating to the very important aspect of marketing, and then we will again understand it and practice the exercise, all that. Thank you very much for joining the class. Dear students, if you had any query, please call to me. You come in the class on regular basis and we will share each and every query. Thank you very much for joining the class. Have a wonderful day.